The 18th term of an AP is 80. Find its first term if its common difference is 4. Hence, find 7th term of the AP. Solution. Now from the question, we have 18th term, that's T18. And T18 is equal to what? A plus. When you have 18 here, you are going to have 18 minus 1D based on the formula. If this is 18, you have 18 minus 1. For example, if you have 20 here, then the coefficient of D is going to be 20 minus 1. So this will give us A plus what? 18 minus 1, that is 17. 17D. So this is T18. So in this case, and this T18 that we are given, which represents the 18th term, is equals to 80. Now, from the question, find its first term. Find its first term, which denotes A. First term is A, D is the common difference. And we're given the common difference, D, to be equal to what? 4. So what are we going to do to get the value of A, which represents the first term of the AP? It means that anywhere we see D, we are going to substitute D as 4. So it means that we have A plus 17 into D, which is what? 4, then equals to 80. Now, we now have A plus 17 times 4. What are we going to have? That is 68. Then equals to 80. Now from here, collecting like term, A will be equals to 80 minus 68. And what will be the value of A? That's the first term. 80 minus 68 will give us what? That will give us 12. So it means that the value of A, which represents the first term, this is the first term. First term equals to 12. Now the second part of the question, hence find the 7th term of the AP. For us to find the 7th term of the AP, we write T7. That is, we are looking for T7, which represents the 7th term. Now, based on the techniques of writing the formula for a specific term, we are going to have A plus 7 minus 1D. Now, this will give us A plus, what is 7 minus 1? That is 6. So, A plus 6D. So, in this case, since we have this to be A plus 6D, and we know the value of A to be what? The value of A is 12 from the question. And here, from this solution, the value of A is 12. And we also know the value of D to be equals to 4. For us to find T7 now, it means that anywhere we see A, we replace it as what? 12. So we now have 12 plus, that is from here, coming here, 12 plus what? 6 into 4, rather, not 12, because D equals to 4. D equals to 4. Now, we have 12 plus 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? That is 24. So, in this case, 12 plus 24 will give us 36. So, T7, which represents its 7th term, equals to 36. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.